class 8 and welcome back to your English language online class. So a little earlier I have given you some exercises from chapter 1 to write in your language copy. That you do it and then show it to me, send me the picture of your work. Now this is a video for your second chapter, that is page number 11, chapter number 2, nouns. Okay. Now if you turn the pages in the book, you don't have much of explanation, so we will see that we do not need much also, because this is a chapter, noun is a chapter which we know, which we have done when like in junior section, junior classes. So it is just to remind your memory. Okay, it's a revision for you. So but still we will not skip anything. Okay, we will see whatever is there and then we will quickly head towards the exercises, okay, in your next class. So today we will just see what is the chapter all about. Okay, now first thing, whenever we start, we go with the definition. Okay, so your first thing is noun. Now what is a noun? Okay, generally if I ask you and if you have to tell me, if you have to answer me, you will say that a noun is a name of a person, place or an animal. It's also a feeling or an idea. Okay, now this noun is classified into 5 kinds. Okay, now what are they? Like we have a common noun, we have collective noun, we have proper noun, we have material noun, we have abstract noun. So these are the 5 kinds of noun that we have. Okay, now we will slowly see the definition as well as will go followed by its example. Okay, the first comes is your proper noun. Now what is a proper noun? Is the name of a particular person, okay, or place or monument or building. So it's called a proper noun. For example, Florence Nightingale that you have in the book. Okay, these are the examples that I've been telling you from the book. For example, Mumbai, Howrah Bridge. So these are the names of or these are an example of your proper noun. Okay, these are the names of a particular person, place, building, okay, or monument. Okay, so such kind of names or such kind of, like, an example is your proper noun. Now proper nouns always begin with a capital letter. We do not use a, an or the before proper nouns. So a and the, they are your articles, so we do not use articles before your proper noun, before your proper noun. Okay, so that's it. Then heading towards to common noun. So we saw proper noun first, and proper noun is a name of a particular person, place, monument or building. Okay, now second is common noun. Common noun is the name of a person, place or building in general what we use, like children or a child. Okay, children is plural, it will be for the group of children, as well as for boys and girls as well. Child we use for both boy and girl. Okay, baby we use for both boy and a girl. A teacher we use for both male and female teachers. Okay, so these are your common names, okay, which we use generally. Okay, the name of person, place or building in general is called a common noun. For example, man, city, then monument. Okay, these are some of the example of common noun. Now next is your collective noun. Third is your collective noun. Collective noun is again what derives from collective. The word collective is a collection, okay, group. So the name used for collection of people, animals, birds or object is called a collective noun. Okay, for example, flock of bird, a herd of sheep. Okay, family. These are some of the words which we use for collective noun. Okay, which we use for a collection of people, okay, or animals or birds. Am I clear? So that is collective noun. Fourth one is your abstract noun. The abstract noun is the name of an idea, a concept, a state of being or a feeling is called an abstract noun. Now what kind of, like what is an idea, concept What kind of idea, concept we're talking about? um, State of being or feeling, like beauty. Okay, beauty is something which you see and you realize that how beautiful it is. Yes or no? So that is your feeling. Okay, uh, trust. Okay, that is again feeling. Pain, kindness. These are some of the examples for abstract noun. Now, abstract noun is all about your feelings. Okay, state of being or a feeling or idea or concept. It's all about your mind. Okay, abstract noun. Fifth one, uh, fifth one is material noun. Now, the name of a substance or matter from which a thing is made is called material noun. Okay, so name of a substance or matter from which a thing is made is called a material noun. Okay, for example, silver, gold, wood, okay, paper. So these are some of the examples of substance or matter uh, which a thing is made. Okay, that is your material noun. So these are your 5 kinds of nouns which we have seen. So first is your proper noun. It refers to a particular person, place, monument or building. Then we have common noun, name of a person, place, building in general which we use. Then we have is collective noun, which we use for collection of people, animals, birds or objects. Then we have abstract noun. Abstract is all about being or feeling, idea or concept. Okay. Then fifth one we have is material noun, which is the name of a substance or matter from which a thing is made is your material noun. Okay. So these are the 5 kinds of nouns we saw. Then if you turn your page, there you have page number 12, 13, till 14 top. You have exercises which you will try doing it yourself. But then if you look down, rewind again, page number 14. Again there you have another topic which you will see right now in the same video. Okay, chapter 14, gender. There are 4 genders in the English language. Now if we see gender, what comes to our mind is whether you are male or a female. Okay, or so these are the things that comes to our mind. But we have in English language we have 4 genders. Okay, namely nouns are said to be in the masculine gender if they refer to males. Okay, for example, grandfather, uncle, tiger, peacock. So these are your examples of masculine gender. Then you have feminine gender. It is again nouns that are said to be in feminine gender if they refer to female. Okay, feminine means female and masculine refers to male. Females, for example, again grandmother, aunt, tigress, peahen. Then another that we have, third one, is common gender. Okay, nouns of the common gender denote both the masculine and feminine gender. For example, which we use for both, okay, masculine as well as male as well as female. For example, parent, teacher, cousin, child, doctor. Okay, that is a common gender. And the last is neuter gender. Okay, nouns of the neuter gender are neither of the masculine gender nor the feminine gender. Okay, for example, it is for thing like table, book, torch, pen. So that are some of the examples of neuter gender. Nouns of the neuter gender are usually non-living things. Okay, so thing, that's what I said. So generally what we say is if we talk about gender, we talk about male and female, but in English language we have classified into 4. Okay, again that we have already done in your class 6, previous class 6. Okay, previously in class 6 we have already done it. So again, that's why it's a revision for you. There are 4 genders that we are going to see, and that is masculine, feminine, common and neuter. Masculine is for male, feminine is for female, common is for both, common gender is for both male and female, and then last is your 4th one is neuter gender, that is neither masculine neither feminine. It is for It is for neuter gender is basically for non-living things. Okay, so these are your 4 types of gender. Okay, again in continuation you have one exercise there, you try it. Then you have again page number 15, number. Okay, in English we say a noun may be either singular or plural. Okay, singular means one, plural means more than one, will become your plural in number. Okay, the singular form of a noun denotes one person, one place, or one thing. Okay, for example, chair, torch, knife. So if you see in this word, we haven't used chairs, we haven't used torches, or we did not use knives. Okay, so when we miss s or es in the noun, that means it's in singular form. That is one. So singular form is a noun, denotes one person, place, or a thing. Now plural form of a noun denotes more than one person, place, or thing. Okay, for example, chairs, torches, and knives. See how they have transformed from singular to plural, just adding s or es. Okay, so from singular it becomes plural. Singular denotes one, place, person, or a thing. Plural denotes more than one, place, person, or thing. Okay, nouns can also be classified as countable or uncountable. Countable, which you can count easily, and uncountable, which you cannot count. Okay, a countable noun denotes that which can be counted. Okay, for example, we can say one girl, 10 boys. Okay, to apples we usually add one of the article for them, a, an, or the, or a number before countable nouns. Okay, but in uncountable nouns we refer to things that cannot be counted. That's why it is called uncountable. Yes or no? For example, news we cannot count, tea, salt, glass, or even grass. Okay, we do not use a or an when uncountable nouns. However, we can say a cup of tea, but we can say that, or a pinch of salt. So that is countable and uncountable. Then we have abstract noun, which we have already done. That is one of the kind of noun. So abstract nouns such as pride, okay, feeling proud, okay, pride, love, friendship, peace, and comfort are also uncountable nouns. Okay, these are the feeling which we cannot count, which we can only feel. Okay, however, sometimes they can also have a plural form. Now even they can have a plural form. For example, hardships, okay, pleasures, memories, decisions, and vacancies. So these are some of the abstract nouns again, which can also have a plural form. Okay, so I guess that is it. Yeah, so that is it. We have a lot of exercises in this chapter, but we will do it tomorrow. I'll give you the answers tomorrow, or by the after tomorrow I'll complete this chapter as well. Then we'll move towards chapter number 3. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.